Yesterday was the first day of WWDC and the release date of the first iOS 14 developer beta. First, you might notice something a little different about my home screen. There's a widget. They added widgets in iOS 14, and I think that is awesome. I have just added the simple weather widget because I like to know the weather, so I just have it on my front and only page. Speaking of pages, these aren't all the apps I have, but how? Well, you can hide pages. Let me show you. Edit the home screen, click down here, and you have 2 pages, and I've hidden my last page. You can put them back just to show you. I will put it back. There you go. You can see this has a bunch of my apps. Now keep in mind this is my spare phone, so I don't use this that often. I'm just showing. This is what's going to be my showcase phone for iOS betas and new features. So yeah, I have everything in the app library, where it makes custom curated folders for different apps. Whoopsies. And it's really cool. And just like Android, at the top there's a little search function, so you can swipe down and search for things. Let's say we want to open Reddit. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at messages. Now, I like this feature where you can pin things. This is my dad and this is my mom. And I have a group chat with them, so we're both easily able to communicate without me having to scroll through all of these messages. And yes, I realize I'm going to need to delete some. And here in the chat, my group chat, you have this, as you can see, which I think is really cool, that you can do that. And it shows the most recent person who can talk, and you can change the photo. So let's say we want to change it to the fire emoji because we use that so much. I can press assign to group, and now there's that. Isn't that awesome? You can also reply to messages. So say I want to reply to this message. He's not on iOS 14, I don't think, so replying would not work the same, but you can just reply to a certain message, kind of like on Reddit where you have different message threads. It helps organize everything better. The next thing, they did update some privacy things. Also, in Maps, they've added cycling, which I think is very cool. That you can track cycling instead of just driving in your car, and walking. And also, for being the developer beta, apps are supported fairly well. Some things are a little bit laggy, and there's one thing that I've noticed here. It's not doing it anymore. It was weird, but it was like, when you open this and then closed it, they had little square outlines on them. It's not here anymore. I don't know. But iOS 14 developer beta is pretty smooth, and I do like the widgets here, how cool they look. They look very nice. So you can change the widgets. There is also, let me show you, a thing called Smart Stack. So if we go to edit home screen, you can take this out, or you can just show you here. The Smart Stack has, let's say we want to add the Smart Stack. We're just going to add it up at the top, like that. I will take this away because I don't want it here, but that's my lizard, and it shows music, weather, Discord and messages and stuff like that. So it's just curated to you, and it's really cool. Oops. I've noticed the haptic sounds different, although this could be because this had water inside of it. Yes, this has water inside of it, so that's why it's my showcase phone, because although it works just fine, which is honestly weird. Crap, now I can't turn it on because my hands are so freaking sweaty, but I will be doing a video about macOS Big Sur. It'll be less of a hands-on review and more of just me talking about it, my thoughts, that kind of thing. So that was the iOS 14 beta. I'll see you later. Peace out.